We are at Tamarack, and I just want to tell you, we got some bad news for this Tamarack Plaza Center. You wanna know what the bad news is? The bad news is that it's closing down at the end of this month, which is, January. Nah, that can't be right. January? Maybe it said next month. I don't know. I didn't have my phone, so I could. Well, it doesn't really matter. You don't need to see the inside anyway. The Tamarack Travel Plaza will be shutting down at the end of the month. So, parking will still be open, I'm pretty sure. And they said you can still get coffee and other stuff from, I don't know if it's the friggin', why is she going so doggone slow? It's not icy. I don't know if it's the gas station or not, but the inside place, they said it's gonna, I think they're gonna tear it down. They said another one will be up by early 2024. So I'm guessing they're gonna tear it down, or they're gonna remodel it, update it, renovate it. That's what I'm looking for. So that's it. Tamarack Plaza on I-77 exit 45 in West Virginia is closing down. All right, until next time.